Minister wa ugiteri wa thiini agwikinyitie na ikuru mihango-ini ya guthukangia na gucina makiri ma macini cia Kamari na agia na mweke wa gutetera aciari na arutani ureri-ini wa ciana.
There are many genuine businesses that you can do in our country. This one is destructive business. And let us not pretend about it. This is very destructive and it has destroyed our children and destroyed families. You should talk to parents. Talk to our teachers, our principals in schools, especially day schools, who will tell you the challenges we've had with this.
Honge cia thirikari ciathĩtwo gũtigĩrĩra atĩ gũtirĩ macini ya Kamari yaingĩra gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ kuma mabũrũri ma nanja.
And I need to say this very clearly. The government has today suspended the importation of these machines into the country. And all agencies involved are aware. Kenya Revenue Authority is aware, Kenya Bureau of Standards is aware, Kenya Ports Authority is aware. None of these machines will leave the port of Mombasa or whichever entry port they are coming through. We cannot have this in our country.
Onjoria kuma mabũrũri mageni arĩa matarĩ na marũa ma kũrutĩra wĩra gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ nĩo morotetwo nĩ ũndũ wa gũkorwo makĩendia macini ici cia Kamari.
This also is related to the process we are undertaking on the foreigners who are in our country and the kind of businesses they are doing in our country. If they don't have work permits, they are not here formally, they are here to do these kinds of things that are destroying our children, they don't even have work permits. They need to go back to their homes. It's unfortunate if they want to destroy their own children, but they cannot destroy ours.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV kuma gũkũ kaunti ya Naikuru, njĩtagwo Simon Gure.